firing it up. All right, so this says that WXZ, so WXZ is a right angle. It says that WXV is 11 more than 3 times WXY. So if WXY is X, let's say it's X. That one said it's 11 more than 3 times. So 3 times 11 more. Okay? And they're saying that the whole thing, so this equals this, 139. How would I write that equation to solve for X? You forgot something. There you go. Okay, so from here we would subtract 11. Good. Divide 128 by 4. Close. 58. Sorry. Oh, that's wrong. 32. Okay, is that our final answer? No. So we need to find y, x, z. So y, x, z. So if we know that x is 32, right? And the whole thing over here is 90, how would we find this? The whole thing. But you only know part of it. You only know x, but we know we need to find this. So how would we do that? We need to find the question mark. Yep. Not plus. Minus x, which is what? What's x? There you go. $90 minus 32 gives us not 28. The 8's right. $58. You also don't have your calculators. Come here, we'll come back to it so you can get it all. Let's go down to 23. Okay, if KM bisects, so if it bisects, we know what? That the two angles are equal. Okay, good. JKL, so the whole thing is 92. And MKL is 5x plus 1. Okay, so one of them is going to be, so 92. Half of 92 is what? So half of 92 is what? Mm-hmm. Okay, so we have 5x plus 1 equals 46. How would we solve for x? How would we solve for x? Mm-hmm. And then 8. There you go. Is that our final answer? There you go. That one was easy. Okay, 24. If EF, so that's this one, 9. If EF bisects AED, so that means that these are equal. AEF equals 4x plus 3. And FED equals 7x minus 33. How would I solve for x?
4x plus 3 equals 7x.
And you're right, but why did we set them equal to each other? Right, because they bisect, so we know that they're equal. Well, they don't equal 90, but they're bisected, so we know that they're equal. Okay? Let's move some things around. What do we want to move? Okay. Good. Is that our final answer? No. Okay. So anybody want to take a stab at how we might find, what do we need to find? CEB. So that's this, right? Okay. So we know that because of our rule of vertical angles, right? This will be the same as this. So we need to find what one of these sides of, so let's use this one because it's smaller. So let's find out what one of those sides is. We can multiply it by 2 and get this, right? So we'll do
4 times 12.
Okay, what's that give us? Okay. Good. So if we do 51 times 2, that gives us 102 degrees. Very good. Okay. The next group are pretty easy. Okay, so let's roll through some of these real quick. Pick 2 of those you want to do together. Okay, so 25 and everybody go with those? Okay, so adjacent. You know what adjacent means? Do you remember? It means right next to each other, side by side. So which one of those has angles that are side by side? There's more than one answer. C. Not B. Nope. F. And there's one more. D. Good. Okay. So a linear pair would be two angles that would add up to equal 90. There's only, or wait, no, sorry. 180, sorry, because they make a line. There's only one that would do this. Nope. Nope. They'd be supplemental. They'd be on the same thing together. Nope. What'd you say, Savannah? D. It would be D because they're on the same line, right? Because if you look here, they're on this line. Yep. They'd be a linear pair. Okay, I'll help you set up 30 and 31, and then you guys will do those. Okay, so let's look at 30. How would we write those as an equation? They're what type of angles?
What, for 30?
Yep.
Vertical.
Vertical, so they would be good. Okay, look at 31. What would those two angles equal? Good. Okay, so do 26, 27, 28, 30, and 31. All right.